This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ClickUp versus Notion for project management. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of tools for complex tasks, while Notion provides a highly flexible workspace for notes, wikis, and databases. We'll explore their core functionalities to help you decide which platform best suits your team's unique needs and workflow. Understanding their fundamental differences is key to making an informed choice for enhanced collaboration and productivity. ClickUp stands out with over 100 different views, including powerful Gantt charts and mind maps, perfect for detailed project tracking. Notion, on the other hand, shines with its incredibly customizable database properties and versatile templates, making it excellent for knowledge management. While ClickUp focuses on robust task management and reporting, Notion excels at creating interconnected pages and collaborative documents, offering distinct advantages for varied team requirements. When it comes to user experience, ClickUp presents a steeper learning curve due to its extensive feature set, which can initially feel overwhelming. Notion, however, offers a more intuitive, block-based interface, allowing for quicker adoption and ease of use for new users. While ClickUp's power comes with complexity, Notion's flexibility, though easy to grasp, sometimes requires more effort to establish structured project setups, impacting overall team efficiency. Regarding pricing, ClickUp offers a free plan with limited features and paid plans starting around $7 per user per month. Notion also provides a free personal plan, with team plans beginning at $8 per user per month. ClickUp is ideal for large teams needing advanced project management and automation, whereas Notion is better suited for teams prioritizing flexible knowledge bases and collaborative documents. Choose based on your team's specific scale and functional priorities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.